Information Gathering and Penetration Testing. By the end of this video, you will understand about the definition and purpose of information gathering, the steps involved in information gathering, the tools and attack forms commonly used, the penetration testing process, and how FullNose, Nmap, and SQLmap assist in security testing. Definition of information gathering. Information gathering, commonly known as footprinting, is the process of collecting all existing information. There are two types of information gathering. The first one is passive information gathering, a type of information gathering that involves searching for information using third parties as the source. Examples include Google hacking, Whois, DNS lookup, and social media. The second one is active information gathering, which is a type of information gathering that involves direct interaction to seek information regarding the target. Examples include ping, scan port, traceroute, and Nmap. Next, we have the purpose of information gathering. Information gathering aims to collect as much preliminary information as possible about the target in order to determine the most effective testing or attack methods. Information collected typically includes network information such as domain name, IP address, and running TCP or UDP services. Then, operating system information such as operating system version and system architecture. And the last one is organizational data such as company details, physical location, website, phone number, and address. Steps of information gathering. The first one is footprinting. That is, collect as much target information such as IP, domain, DNS, contact, and technology. The second one is scanning. Discover the form of active host and existing network on the target. Tools used include ping, ping sweeps, port scans, and traceroute. The third one is enumeration or utility systems that collect more detailed information such as username, shares, and service detail. And the last one is application programs that determine the application program that will be used to attack the target. There are several tools used and forms of attack that can be identified as information gathering efforts using penetration testing techniques. Common tools that are widely used include Nmap Burp, Suite, SQLmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, and Searchsploit. And the common forms of attacks that may occur include social engineering, network or system attacks, information leakage, privacy loss, and revenue loss. Penetration testing process. Penetration testing consists of 5 structured phases that guide the entire security assessment process. It begins with reconnaissance, where initial information is gathered using both passive and active techniques. Next is scanning, which involves identifying live hosts, open ports, operating systems, and running services within the target environment. The third one is gaining access. The attackers exploit discovered vulnerabilities. Next, the maintaining access phase focuses on keeping persistent entry, often through backdoors. The final stage is clearing tracks, where any logs, histories, or traces of the attacks are removed to avoid detection and maintain operational stealth. Next, FullNose. FullNose is a vulnerable operating system provided by FullHub for penetration testing practice. It is used as a target during practicum sessions to learn about exploitation, privilege escalation, enumeration, and vulnerability analysis. FullNose is intentionally designed with security flows for cybersecurity learning purposes. Last one, we have Nmap and SQLmap. Nmap and SQLmap are primary tools used for network mapping and vulnerability testing within a system. Nmap, or Network Mapper, is a key tool for information gathering. It is used to check the network status, scan ports on the network, detect device services and versions, and also identify DOS. An SQLmap is an automated SQL injection tool that helps you to identify vulnerable input fields, extract database contents, gain OS level access if exploitable, and gain unauthorized admin access.